My beloved Huzur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Kaveem Nizam. It was prophesied that the coming of the Messiah would bring great earthquakes, and in the Quran it has been said that the world will inevitably come to an end. These possibilities being referred to as Al-Qiyamah. So my question is, are the current events of climate change related to this, and could it be a possibility that humankind and the world comes to an end because of it?
Yes, you can see. We can say that it can be the start of it, right? But it is not going to end in your generation. Don't worry. So you do good deeds to gain the love of Allah Ta'ala. So it will take, another 600-700 years at least. That is what have been told to us by the Prophet Messiah alayhi salam. Right? And then the world will go into the black hole, and then there will again be a big bang. Allah knows better how it will happen. But it is going to take hundreds of years, and you shouldn't worry about it. The only thing you have to do is that you do good deeds to please Allah Ta'ala. Right? So that you are rewarded whenever you leave this world. You are rewarded by Allah Ta'ala in a way which pleases Allah. Right? And you are also happy in that world. Okay? Assalamualaikum. Chalo, waqt khatam ho gaya. Now it is time. Ab we shall see next time. तो इन्होंने खाना खा लिया हुआ सदर साहब के भी खाना है जाके?
जी नहीं हुजूर, भी यहाँ पर इंतज़ाम है, तो इसके फ़ौरन बाद खाना है।
रात को 10:30 बजे खाना खाएंगे, 11 बजे। भूखा मार दिया है।
पहले खाना था तो बच्चों
को भूखा मार दिया आपने।
जी अब अच्छी तरह खाएंगे हुजूर।
अच्छी तरह खाएंगे, सो जाएंगे, नींद आ रही होगी आदों को। ये सारे यहाँ के सिडनी के हैं या किसी और इलाके के भी हैं?
जी 2 एडलेड से आए हैं और 4 कैनबरा से हैं।
कैनबरा से, बाकी सिडनी के हैं। चलो फिर अल्लाह हाफिज़, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह, प्यारे हुजूर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, अल्लाह हाफिज़।